this is going to be about what you said, is simply sharing experiences that we have ourselves, because we've been investing in Camunda products for the last 10 years. Yeah, it's simply going to a journey where we're going to see where we started, where we are going. Hopefully this gives some information, interesting information to people to get insights, get new ideas, maybe collaboration in the future, things that I'm hoping that people will enjoy today. Let's proceed. So the agenda of this session is going to be as follows. First, I'd like to share with you a brief history of what we did with Camunda products for the last 10 years. Also, because we built two platforms, one based on Camunda 7 and one based on Camunda 8, I like to explain to you why we build what we built. And the answer is simple. It's like we listen to our customers and we decide based on their needs what we are going to prioritize. I will show you for clients that were important for us to build what we have today. Afterwards, I will summarize these main important features that we implemented in a slide. So you will see exactly what are the big buckets that our platform is providing to clients and ourselves. I will go in detail about these features to tell you from like a black box or from outside how these features are implemented and in detail what they are providing. And afterwards, I will focus on what is the current architecture of the Camunda 7 platform we have and how we are going to converge this platform with the platform that we built recently based on Camunda 8 or Civi, because we believe that we have to have only one, and especially since Camunda said to us that Camunda 8 is the future. And then I will show you how we are going to accomplish those goals in a kind of a roadmap that covers till 2025. Let's go for it. So as you can see here, we started we deployed the first platform in 2015, but the journey started before. We as Goldman Sachs, different departments started the journey of we need to build. We need to orchestrate, and we need somehow to start doing orchestration or automation, etc. And different initiatives started in different departments in things that weren't based on Camunda, things like JBPMN, etc., other products, etc. But Goldman Sachs realized this is the time to build a platform that will serve the whole firm. So a department called Workflow, no, it's not called Workflow anymore, but anyway, the department called Workflow was created. And in 2015, we released the first version based on Camunda that was offering the ability to model workflows, execute workflows in clusters, and have on top a tool to expose manual tasks through a UI that I will cover in subsequent slides, but that was kind of the first release. Then afterwards, we started to look at our clients and their needs, and we thought a lot of clients of the platforms are not engineers. So how we can make them more efficient? So we invested in Forms Engine, that is a solution that lets clients create forms, web forms that are going to be exposed in this tool called eTask to be able to put manual data to complete what they have to do to make the workflows progress. Afterwards, we decided to invest in a web designer to lead collaboration and also to have the ability to put extensions on both the BPMN and in panels that were more friendly for non-engineers. In other words, if you like to configure a particular construct in a BPMN, use web panels that you will see afterwards to make that thing easier. Afterwards, because our client base started to grow, we thought now is the time to have a consistent SDLC that covers from provisioning new clusters to modeling, testing, deploying these solutions, tracking, observing, offering metrics, analytics, etc. So this is what we call SDLC, and there are many tools that are helping us to do that, not only for us, but also for our clients, and we put everything behind a portal that we call Workflow Control Center. Now it's called Workflow Development Center. In 2019, we extended the concept of let's onboard more and more clients, and then let's let our clients to provision their own clusters rather than us concentrating clients in clusters.